this party started, baby. Okay, first thing I gotta do on this thing, when I got it, this is right after the intro video, by the way. So if you watch that, you're the GOAT, first of all. Second of all, this is the next one because I'm already here. And that's the only reason I'm doing this now, because I want to get this door handle out of the way. I actually already changed all 3 of them already. Front two pretty easy, the back two, I had a couple people like I read, like, oh, it's really hard compared to the front one. And yeah, I mean, sure, you can't get to like the other screw through here, but it's not too bad. Now, if you're looking at this video for actual like service purposes and you need to figure out how to do this, you've come to the right place. I already did the other one, so I already kind of figured this out. You got one bolt here, you got one there, you got one here, you got one here, and then you got one here. You got those, what, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and this bottom part just pops out. So it's really not that big of a problem. Oh my god. Bruh. Why is this so fucking hard? Okay. There we go. I don't have my headphones with me either. This is so cringe. Dude, I might just play a little bit of music real quick. Now connected to tracks is A14. Oh yeah, I got my dad's a goat. I was out of the country for a while. Okay, ignore that. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. I was out of the country for a while and went to the junkyard and got all the parts I needed. Oh yeah. I'm mine. Okay. Oh my god. But yeah, man. Bruh. I took on this one. Yep. Okay. Yeah. So now we're talking. Now that we're here. It's a little weird. That broken? That might be broken. Either way. Yeah, now that you got all those bolts up, bro, just gotta give it a good yank. And then, oh wait, no, troll. Slide that forward, my bad. Then you got like a little tab here that I'm pretty sure I have a pick for. Okay, pick. I have pick. Now, hoping this picks up. I'll put some light on it. There we go. There's a little clip there. You got the... This thing just slides forward. By the way, just pop forward this one. Kind of give it a little bit of a... Okay. Slide it there. It's impossible to work in peace these days, bro. Oh my god. Anyway, take this off. Boom. That thing comes out. Now this will pop out. Oh, that comes out. Okay. So look, we got the mad scientist. Yeah, but then door panel comes off, dude. Boom. Yeah, no, I got the music playing right now. I got the music. There's a 9, 10. About to get in here with that mother sucker. Yeah. So right here, boom. We got one right there, and we got one. I don't know how I'm gonna get this to. That'd be a hard thing to capture. I don't know if it'll pick up. Hopefully, stick this thing in there. Boom. I don't know. I'll figure it out. If I can like zoom it in after, I'll do it. But I don't know. You probably see it. It's back there. You can't get through here, so that's why it's more of a pain in the ass. But I need an extension. There we go. out. Easy. And the other one took me a little bit to figure it out, but a whole lot to look at here. I'm not gonna lie. Just went in through here. Up the car. Stick my finger in here. Boom, boom, boom. I find the screw with my fingy. Please. Perhaps. Right. I'm using my left hand. Oh. There we go now. I got it on there. Kind of impossible to record because I can't get. I mean, try to get the camera in there, but dude, honestly, that is such a pain in the ass. I just bought this thing and I want it to be nice and clean. That's gonna change very quickly. But yeah, dude, I got that thing out. You just put that thing. Dude, they are blowing it up over there. Yeah, shit, tomorrow, bro. Chill out. Bro. Anyway, yeah. Just gotta get your hand in there, honestly. Once you feel that other screw, it's not that big of a. Got that bit. Okay, got it out. Boom. Okay, well, this thing should just can pop out. Got this little doodad guy here. Honestly, like the one I got came with a new one, so presumably. There it is. I know some people said they like heat it up and just melt it off, but I'm not about to do all that. Maybe that metal piece is too hot and you can't work with it. I'm not doing all that snaz. So this one's got the new clip in it anyway. So I'm gonna just pop this bit out. Oh my gosh. Come on, bro. Alright. Come on, bro. I ain't even gonna lie, the other ones came out so much easier. What's going on? Oh no. This one's not even broken. The other three were broken. This one's not, but I bought 4 of them, so why would I not just replace them all? Okay. Oh. There we go. Yeah, this one's still fine. Oh, dude, there's little grommets on that one. What? I'm not gonna lie to you. I don't think I put it on the other one. And I should preface this by saying I'm not. No, I am the goat. Never mind. So I'm gonna put it on there. See if it stays on. That's it. And then I just pop that mother sucker back in. Huh? There you go. Now, boom. This is back in. Take these screws and throw them back in the dump. There you go. The other one, dude. Honestly, I did this little number. I just grabbed it with these two. Cause you gotta go like over a little thing to actually get it in. All right, dude, let me see if I can actually get some sort of, I think like over here. I just got my hand in there. I got the wrench in that system. I'll put this on my head again. Ooh. Why does that matter? Got this on there, boom, boom, boom. Yeah. Okay, there you go. She done. Oh, you can really see in there, beautiful. Sun though, I got it still, it's over. Oh. Just touch that. Yep. Awesome. Door handle on. Door panel coming back on. Stupid thing here. Ooh. I can't even see it. Oh, okay. All right, yeah. There we go. Door back on. Plug back in. Put that cable back on. I'm just picking up. I don't know if there's enough lighting, but dude, I just picked that bit up, put it on, sweat that. What a sucker. There we go. There we go. Dude, there's one thing I'm good at, it's... Oh, yeah. These things do not go in easily. Bro. Boom, bop, bitty bing, bing, bow. There we go. Nice. Now, where is the last one? There it is. What the freeb? There you go. All right, done. Go, dude. The goat. Grab the goat. Honestly, at some point, dude, I don't know. Right now, it's still kind of weird talking to myself, but. Oh, man. Yeah, I'm for sure doing more. Okay, shut up. Yeah, that was like honestly, it's just something I had to do, but I figured I'd get a video of it at least. So yeah, and then yeah, I'm gonna make a video of the AC and stuff, get the exhaust on, get this thing up and running. I gotta kind of work with the suspension a little bit, but other than that, yeah, dude, that's it. That's it. You just watched me change the door handle. Thank you.